beneath the surface of our planet's vast oceans lies an uncharted world, one that is shrouded in darkness, mystery, and awe. As sunlight dances across the waves, few would guess that just meters below, the ocean descends into realms few humans have ever witnessed. More than 80% of our planet's oceans remain unexplored, holding secrets that have yet to be uncovered, and perhaps creatures that defy our understanding of life itself. Imagine for a moment standing on the edge of a ship and gazing into the deep blue. The wind brushes your skin, the salt air sharp in your lungs. Above, the world is bright and open, but as you peer downward, you sense the ocean's invitation, a gateway to a place untouched by sunlight, where life takes on forms both dazzling and strange. Today, we journey together through this door, descending from the sparkling surface into the silent, enigmatic depths. What awaits us is not merely a landscape, but a living tapestry, woven with the threads of time, secrecy, and evolution. As our cameras descend, the light slowly fades. The colors shift and dim, and the world turns from turquoise to indigo, then to darkness. The pressure grows, and the temperature drops. Here, in this silent realm, life must adapt, and it does so in ways that defy imagination. Suddenly, out of the gloom, bursts of light illuminate the shadows. Coral reefs glow with a radiant energy, their branches shimmering in neon hues. These bioluminescent wonders are living jewels, thriving where sunlight cannot reach. Their glow attracts myriad species. Tiny fish dart in and out, their scales catching the light in a dazzling display of color and movement. It is a ballet of survival, beauty, and endless adaptation. Among the coral's glowing arms, schools of fish move as one, yellow, blue, and silver, forming living mosaics. Their synchronized dance keeps them safe from predators lurking in the shadows. Each fish plays its part in the delicate balance of this ecosystem, the harmony of their movements, a testament to the complexity and elegance of life beneath the waves. The reef is alive, not only with color, but with purpose, resilience, and boundless energy. But this is only the beginning. As we venture deeper, the world transforms yet again. The familiar gives way to the unknown, a realm where darkness reigns, and only the most extraordinary creatures survive. Here, on the ocean's edge, we encounter something never seen before. A newly discovered deep-sea creature, an enigma from the abyss. It glides effortlessly through the water, its body translucent, almost ghostly. Light pulses from within, casting a gentle glow that illuminates its surroundings. Its fins undulate, moving with a grace that seems almost otherworldly, bending and twisting with the rhythm of the current. This creature is unlike anything we've known before. Its skin shimmers with a subtle iridescence, a living light show that hints at the mysteries of bioluminescence. Its body, nearly invisible, reveals the intricate inner workings of its organs, veins and muscles, nerves and bones, each illuminated by its inner glow. It is a marvel of adaptation, crafted by evolution to thrive in the extreme conditions of the deep sea. Its movements are slow, deliberate, and mesmerizing, as if it is both part of the water and apart from it, a ghost drifting through a silent cathedral. Our underwater drone, equipped with the latest technology, follows closely, capturing every detail of this elusive being. The drone's lights sweep across the creature, highlighting the delicate architecture of its body. As it moves, its fins ripple like silk, propelling it forward with an elegance that seems almost choreographed. The creature responds to the drone's presence, its body shifting color and intensity, perhaps communicating, perhaps camouflaging, perhaps simply being. The drone's sensors record its every motion, every flicker of light, every pulse of energy. For scientists, this is a moment of revelation, a chance to study a life form that challenges our very notions of biology and possibility. The drama intensifies as the drone maneuvers to keep pace. For a brief moment, the creature accelerates, darting through a forest of glowing coral, weaving between pillars of stone and clouds of plankton. Its speed is astonishing, its flexibility unmatched. The drone's cameras capture the chase in stunning slow motion, each movement magnified, every twist and turn rendered in exquisite detail. In these moments, we see not only the creature's physical prowess, but a glimpse into the intelligence and adaptability that have allowed it to survive in this unforgiving environment. All around, the ocean pulses with life. Strange forms drift in the current, jellyfish trailing long, luminescent tendrils, their bodies undulating like delicate lanterns. Crabs scuttle across the sandy floor, their shells reflecting the faint glow of the coral. Eels slip silently through crevices, their eyes glinting in the darkness. Each organism is a testament to the resilience of life, evolving to thrive in a world of perpetual night. But it is the newly discovered creature that holds our attention. As the drone follows, it becomes clear that this being is unlike any other. Its unique anatomy, its glowing body, its fluid movements, all point to a species that has mastered the art of survival in the deep. Scientists speculate about its origins. Is it a descendant of ancient lineages, or a recent development in the evolutionary story of the ocean? How does it produce its ethereal glow? What does it eat, and how does it interact with its environment? Each question leads to more mysteries, and each answer has the potential to reshape our understanding of life on Earth. As we observe, the creature approaches a towering structure of coral and rock. It pauses, suspended in the water, its body radiating soft light. Around it, smaller fish gather, drawn to the glow. For a brief moment, the creature and its companions form a living constellation, a scene of unity and wonder in the depths. This is the ocean's gift, a reminder that even in the darkest corners of our world, life flourishes, adapts, and surprises. Our descent into the deep has revealed not just a new species, but an entire ecosystem of beauty and resilience. The mysteries of the ocean are vast, and every discovery is a step closer to understanding the forces that shape our planet. As we ascend once more toward the light, we carry with us the memory of the creature's glow, its silent grace, and the promise that the deep still holds countless secrets, waiting to be explored. Beneath the surface of the world's oceans, far beyond the reach of sunlight, lies a realm both mysterious and mesmerizing, the deep sea. Here, at depths where pressure crushes and darkness reigns eternal, life has evolved in ways that defy imagination. The deep ocean is not a barren wasteland, but rather a thriving world filled with extraordinary creatures, each adapted to survive in inhospitable conditions. This is the world of the deep sea dwellers, where the unfamiliar becomes commonplace and the boundaries of possibility are constantly being redefined. Imagine descending into the abyss, leaving behind the familiar blue waters of the sunlit shallows. As you journey deeper, light fades and the water turns inky black. At depths of thousands of meters, sunlight disappears completely, and the pressure rises to levels that would crush most known forms of life. Yet, in this perpetual night, life flourishes. The deep ocean is home to a dazzling array of species, many still unknown to science, and each has a story to tell. One of the most iconic inhabitants of the deep is the lanternfish. These small, sleek creatures are named for their ability to emit light from specialized organs along their bodies, a phenomenon known as bioluminescence. Lanternfish use their glowing patterns to communicate, attract mates, and evade predators, turning the darkness into a vibrant tapestry of flickering signals. Their numbers are staggering. Lanternfish make up a significant portion of the ocean's biomass, forming massive schools that migrate up and down the water column in search of food. Despite their abundance, they remain elusive, glimpsed only briefly by passing submersibles and remote cameras. Traveling further into the depths, we encounter giants that dwell in the black waters, the colossal squid. Rarely seen and shrouded in myth, these enigmatic creatures can reach lengths of up to 14 meters with eyes the size of dinner plates. Their bodies are equipped with tentacles lined with powerful hooks, perfectly adapted for capturing prey in the pitch-black environment. The colossal squid's immense size and strength make it a formidable predator, yet it too must navigate the challenges of deep-sea life, pressure, scarcity, and isolation. Every encounter with this elusive giant is a reminder of how little we truly know about the creatures lurking beneath the waves. The deep sea is also a stage for nature's most dazzling light show. Bioluminescent creatures abound, producing light through chemical reactions within their bodies. This glow serves myriad purposes: communication, camouflage, luring prey, and deterring predators. The anglerfish, for example, wields its own living lantern, a dangling lure that glows with an eerie blue-green light, attracting unsuspecting victims to its fang-lined jaws. Other creatures, like certain species of jellyfish and shrimp, emit bursts of light to startle predators or disguise their escape. In this world without sunlight, bioluminescence is not just a novelty, it is essential for survival. Venturing across the ocean floor, we encounter landscapes as alien as any found on distant planets. The Mariana Trench, the deepest point on Earth, plunges over 11,000 meters into the crust, its walls cloaked in eternal night. Here, temperatures hover just above freezing, and the pressure is more than 1,000 times that of the surface. Yet, even in these extreme conditions, life persists. Microbes thrive on the minerals seeping from the rocks, forming the basis of complex ecosystems. Strange fish with transparent bodies and oversized mouths patrol the waters, while crustaceans scuttle across the sediment, feeding on organic matter that drifts down from above. Along the rocky cliffs and undersea mountains, vibrant communities cluster around hydrothermal vents, geysers that spew superheated water rich in minerals. These vents are oases in the desert of the deep, supporting dense populations of tube worms, clams, and crabs. Unlike most life on Earth, which relies on sunlight for energy, vent organisms harness chemical energy from the vent fluids, a process called chemosynthesis. Towering fields of tube worms wave in the currents, their blood-red plumes extracting nutrients from the water. Giant clams and crabs jostle for space, feeding on the bacteria that thrive in this unique environment. The discovery of vent communities revolutionized our understanding of life's resilience and adaptability, proving that ecosystems can flourish even in the absence of sunlight. The diversity of deep-sea life is staggering. Each expedition into the abyss reveals new species, many of which bear little resemblance to anything found in shallower waters. Some fish sport elongated bodies and needle-like teeth, designed to snatch prey in the darkness. Others have gelatinous forms, lacking the rigid bones that would be crushed by the immense pressure. There are shrimp that glow, octopuses that change color, and creatures that drift like living parachutes, capturing whatever food they encounter. The deep sea is a laboratory of evolution, where survival demands innovation and creativity. For centuries, the deep ocean has been a source of fascination and mystery. Myths and legends have sprung from its depths, stories of sea monsters and lost cities, of treasures and terrors. Today, advances in technology have enabled us to explore these realms with unprecedented detail. Remotely operated vehicles and deep-diving submersibles send back images of landscapes and creatures never before seen by human eyes. Each discovery challenges our assumptions and expands our sense of wonder. One of the most important lessons from the exploration of the deep sea is the recognition of its immense biodiversity. The creatures living here are not isolated oddities, but vital components of a rich and interconnected ecosystem. The recent discovery of new species is not an anomaly, but rather a testament to the ocean's vastness and complexity. Many deep-sea organisms play crucial roles in nutrient cycling, carbon sequestration, and the regulation of global climate. Their existence underscores the importance of protecting these fragile environments from the threats of pollution, overfishing, and climate change. The deep sea is both a frontier and a sanctuary. It challenges our perceptions of life and reminds us of the limits of human knowledge. Each new species discovered is a piece of a larger puzzle, revealing patterns of adaptation and survival that have evolved over millions of years. As we continue to explore, we unlock secrets that shape our understanding of the natural world and our place within it. In the darkness and pressure of the deep, life flourishes in forms both familiar and strange. From glowing lanternfish to colossal squids, from shimmering jellyfish to towering tube worms, the world beneath the waves is a testament to the power of evolution and the resilience of life. The deep sea is not just a place of curiosity, it is a living, breathing world waiting to be discovered and understood. Each journey into its depths brings us closer to unraveling the mysteries of our planet, and each new discovery reminds us of the wonders that exist beyond the reach of light. For centuries, the ocean's greatest depths remained shrouded in mystery, unreachable and unknowable. The immense pressure, frigid temperatures, and utter darkness of the abyss posed challenges that seemed insurmountable. Yet, human curiosity knows no bounds. With each new advancement in technology, the impossible becomes possible, and the secrets that lie beneath the waves begin to emerge. Thanks to the relentless drive of scientists and engineers, even the most forbidding regions of the sea are no longer beyond our grasp. The modern era of ocean exploration is defined by cutting-edge technology. Sleek research submarines, engineered to withstand crushing pressures, glide silently through the water, carrying scientists into realms where sunlight never penetrates. These vessels are equipped with reinforced hulls, life support systems, and sophisticated navigation controls that allow precise maneuvering in the most hostile environments. Each descent is a journey into the unknown, a step deeper into the planet's last true frontier. But the real revolution has come with autonomous and remotely operated vehicles, known as ROVs. These robotic explorers are the vanguard of deep-sea research. Connected to surface ships by long, flexible tethers, ROVs can venture thousands of meters below the waves, guided by operators far above. Their robust frames bristle with sensors and manipulators, able to withstand the cold and pressure of the abyss. ROVs are equipped with high-definition cameras, collecting footage in stunning 4K resolution, capturing every detail of the deep with clarity that was once unimaginable. On board the research vessel, anticipation runs high. Scientists gather around large screens, eyes fixed on the live video feed from the ROV below. The vehicle glides over the ocean floor, its lights piercing the darkness, revealing alien landscapes sculpted by geological forces. Rocky outcrops, hydrothermal vents, and shimmering fields of strange organisms come into view. Each frame of video is a potential window onto a world no human has ever seen. The ROV's sonar arrays sweep the terrain, sending out pulses of sound that bounce off the seafloor and return as data. These readings allow the team to map the topography in exquisite detail, identifying promising sites for closer investigation. The combination of sonar data and high-resolution video is transformative. Scientists can locate anomalies, unusual shapes, unexpected movement, or subtle differences in coloration, signs that something extraordinary might be hidden among the rocks and sediment. On this particular expedition, the team's focus is drawn to a peculiar sonar signature, a dense cluster of objects at the base of a deep trench. The ROV is directed to investigate. As the vehicle approaches, the camera feed begins to reveal shapes that are neither rock nor debris. The lights illuminate a writhing mass, delicate filaments undulating in the current, translucent bodies suspended just above the seabed. The atmosphere in the control room becomes electric. A new species may be about to make its debut on the world stage. The ROV's manipulators extend, gently collecting samples without disturbing the fragile ecosystem. Every movement is calibrated and cautious. The goal is to observe and preserve. The 4K camera zooms in, capturing close-ups of the creature's anatomy, its shimmering surface, its intricate patterns, its subtle movements. The footage is broadcast in real time, and each scientist takes note, their voices hushed with awe. For many, this is the culmination of years of preparation and hope. Back on the surface, the sample is carefully transferred to a laboratory aboard the ship. The team begins immediate analysis using portable microscopes and genetic sequencing equipment. The data collected by the ROV, the sonar readings, environmental measurements, and hours of video provide a comprehensive context for the discovery. Researchers compare the specimen to known species, searching for matches in global databases. When no connection is found, the realization dawns. This is something new, a life form never before recorded by science. The process of discovery does not end with collection. The 4K footage is reviewed in detail, frame by frame, revealing subtleties in behavior and habitat that would be impossible to capture in any other way. The clarity of the images allows scientists to see minute features, tentacles, pigmentation, even cellular structures. Advanced software analyzes the video, extracting data on movement, feeding patterns, and interactions with the environment. Each insight brings the team closer to understanding not just the new creature, but the broader ecosystem in which it thrives. Sonar data, too, plays a crucial role. By mapping the terrain and identifying the precise conditions in which the organism was found, scientists can hypothesize about its origins and adaptations. Temperature, salinity, pressure, and chemical composition are all recorded and fed into models that help reconstruct the creature's evolutionary journey. Was it shaped by volcanic vents? Does it feed on minerals that seep from the Earth's crust? Or does it rely on symbiotic relationships with other deep-sea dwellers? The collaborative nature of modern oceanography is evident at every stage. Experts from diverse fields, marine biology, geology, chemistry, engineering, work together, sharing their knowledge and perspectives. Data is transmitted instantly to colleagues around the globe, inviting fresh analysis and new ideas. The discovery of a single species can spark international excitement, prompting follow-up missions and inspiring new lines of research. Technology's role is pivotal. Without the precision of sonar, the reach of ROVs, and the clarity of 4K cameras, such discoveries would be impossible. These tools have transformed the ocean from a realm of speculation and myth into a landscape of empirical knowledge. They allow humans to venture where our bodies cannot, to see what our eyes would never perceive unaided, and to know what once lay beyond the limits of imagination. The impact of these discoveries ripples outward. Each new species expands our understanding of life's diversity and resilience. Some organisms possess adaptations that challenge our notions of biology, surviving in toxic waters, thriving in perpetual darkness, or harnessing energy from chemical reactions rather than sunlight. These revelations have implications far beyond the ocean, influencing fields as varied as medicine, biotechnology, and environmental science. As the expedition draws to a close, the significance of the journey becomes clear. Technology has not merely allowed humans to descend to the ocean's depths, it has opened the door to a new era of exploration and understanding. The abyss, once a symbol of the unknowable, is now a frontier of discovery, a place where the ingenuity of humankind meets the boundless creativity of nature. In the silence of the deep, beneath miles of water and layers of rock, life persists in forms both familiar and bizarre. And thanks to the relentless march of technology, the secrets of the ocean are no longer beyond our reach. The journey to the bottom of the sea is a testament to human curiosity and innovation, a reminder that, with the right tools and a spirit of inquiry, even the most impossible mysteries can be brought to light. In the silent depths of the ocean, where sunlight barely penetrates and pressure crushes all but the most resilient forms of life, a remarkable discovery has sent ripples through the scientific community. Recent explorations have revealed a new marine creature, one whose very presence challenges our understanding of what life can be. Its body, ethereal and semi-transparent, shimmers with a spectral beauty, shifting colors as it glides gracefully through the water. This creature moves not with the awkwardness often found in deep-sea dwellers, but with the elegance of silk caught in an underwater breeze, trailing delicate, undulating ribbons behind it. Each motion is a dance, delicate, purposeful, and mesmerizing. Imagine for a moment this enigmatic being navigating a landscape of darkness and pressure amidst swirling schools of fish. In stunning 4K slow-motion views, its form bends and twists, a living artwork set against the backdrop of the deep. As it hunts, Its body pulses with shifting hues, blending with its surroundings one moment, then erupting in bursts of light the next. This bioluminescence serves not only as a warning to would-be predators, but also as a language, an intricate set of signals used to communicate with others of its kind, or perhaps even to confound prey. What makes this creature truly extraordinary is its ability to adapt and survive in an environment where few others can. The pressure at these depths is immense, enough to crush submarines and shatter human bones. Yet, this organism thrives. It's here in the crushing blackness that new questions arise. How does such a delicate, semi-transparent body withstand forces that would obliterate most known life forms? Scientists are only beginning to unravel these mysteries, proposing theories that range from unique cellular structures to unprecedented biochemical pathways. Some suggest that its tissues contain specialized proteins or gel-like substances that disperse pressure evenly, while others hypothesize evolutionary adaptations that we have yet to witness in any other species. The creature's color-shifting abilities are another puzzle. Unlike the static camouflage tactics of octopuses or cuttlefish, this being's colors seem to flow and morph with each movement, almost as if the water itself is painting its skin. Researchers believe that this phenomenon may be linked to advanced chromatophores, cells capable of rapid color changes, or perhaps to a layer of nanostructures that reflect light in dynamic patterns. The bioluminescent displays, meanwhile, are not just for show. In the darkness of the abyss, light is a powerful currency. The flashes and glows emitted by this organism serve dual purposes, attracting mates or allies and repelling threats. Some scientists speculate that the patterns of light may even contain information, codes or signals unique to this species. The discovery of such a creature has not only expanded our catalog of marine life, but also challenged the very boundaries of biology. With its otherworldly appearance and astonishing survival skills, it stands as a testament to the adaptability of life. Yet, with every answer uncovered, new questions emerge. Where did this being come from? Could it be a relic of an ancient evolutionary branch, long hidden from human eyes? Or is it evidence of forms of life so unfamiliar that our current scientific paradigms cannot yet encompass them? Leading experts have put forth a range of hypotheses regarding its origins. Some argue that it may be a descendant of ancient lineages that diverged millions of years ago, evolving in isolation within the deep trenches and caverns of the ocean floor. Others propose that it could represent a new wave of evolution, spurred by environmental changes and unprecedented pressures in the marine ecosystem. There are even whispers among researchers of more speculative ideas that this creature could be evidence of life forms shaped by unknown processes, offering tantalizing clues about the limits and possibilities of biology on our planet. Such speculation is not without reason. The ocean remains one of the least explored realms on Earth, with vast regions still inaccessible to even the most advanced technology. Each new discovery from the deep often brings surprises that rewrite the textbooks and force us to reconsider what we thought we knew. The semi-transparent, color-shifting, bioluminescent creature is just the latest in a long line of wonders. And yet, its characteristics are so unusual that some are beginning to ask, could this be more than just a new species? Might it be a signpost pointing toward entirely new forms of existence hidden away in the world's last great wilderness? the mystery deepens when considering the creature's role in its ecosystem. Observations suggest that it may not only be a predator, but also a sophisticated communicator, interacting with other organisms in ways that are still poorly understood. Its glowing signals and color displays hint at complex behavioral patterns, perhaps including cooperative hunting, mating rituals, or even territorial displays. What's more, the creature's interactions with other species raise questions about the balance of life in the deep sea, a balance that may be far more intricate than previously imagined. As scientists race to study this enigmatic being, their work is set against a backdrop of growing concern for the marine environment. Recent warnings from experts highlight the threat of desertification of the seas, driven by overfishing and pollution. The discovery of such a unique organism underscores the urgent need to protect the biodiversity of our oceans. If the deep sea is home to creatures as astonishing as this one, what else might we lose before it's even found? Effective management and strict enforcement of environmental regulations are now more important than ever, not only for the survival of individual species, but for the continued health and resilience of the entire marine ecosystem. In the end, the newly discovered creature stands as a symbol of both the beauty and the fragility of Earth's oceans. Its secretive existence invites us to look deeper, to ask questions that reach beyond the borders of current knowledge. Is it merely a new addition to the catalog of life, or does it hint at mysteries still waiting to be uncovered? Mysteries that could redefine our understanding of biology, evolution, and the very nature of life itself. As we dip year into the depths and capture stunning images of this creature gliding through the currents, its body shimmering, its lights pulsing, its colors swirling, we are reminded that the ocean is not just a resource to be exploited, but a realm of wonder, deserving of awe and protection. The answers to the questions it poses may take years, even decades, to unravel. Yet, every new clue brings us closer to understanding the profound and intricate tapestry of life beneath the waves. And in that pursuit, the journey may prove just as extraordinary as the discovery itself. Beneath the shimmering surface of our planet's oceans lies a realm of unimaginable wonder, a world so vast and mysterious that even today, much of it remains untouched by human curiosity. As we travel deeper, sunlight fades, replaced by the haunting glow of bioluminescent life. In this abyssal landscape, the seafloor stretches out endlessly, a canvas painted with shadows and bursts of light. Here, entire galaxies seem to drift through liquid darkness. Schools of radiant fish weave patterns in the water, their bodies pulsing with ethereal blue and green hues, tracing paths like constellations scattered across a midnight sky. This spectacle is a reminder of the immense complexity of the ocean's ecosystems. Each luminous creature is just one thread in a tapestry that spans the globe, connecting life from the sunlit shallows to the pitch-black trenches. And yet, what we've glimpsed so far is only a sliver of the whole. For every species cataloged, every phenomenon observed, countless others remain hidden, waiting in the unexplored depths, beyond the reach of our cameras and sensors. The recent discovery of a new deep-sea organism brings this reality into focus. Its strange form and glowing presence challenge our understanding, hinting at evolutionary pathways that diverged millions of years ago. This creature, unlike anything seen before, floats silently through the darkness, its body gently illuminating the water around it. As scientists study its unique adaptations, they marvel not only at the organism itself, But at what its existence implies, the ocean is still a frontier, brimming with secrets and surprises. It's easy to forget that the ocean covers more than 70% of the Earth's surface, yet we've mapped less of its depths than the surface of distant planets. Vast mountain ranges, towering hydrothermal vents, labyrinthine canyons, all lie hidden beneath miles of water. In these environments, life has taken on forms and strategies almost unimaginable, evolving to survive crushing pressures, perpetual night, and the scarcity of food. Some creatures build their own light, while others rely on symbiotic relationships or chemical processes entirely unknown on land. For centuries, explorers have ventured onto the ocean surface, charting coastlines and continents. But the true interior, the heart of the ocean, remains largely uncharted. Advanced technologies like remotely operated vehicles and deep-diving submersibles have begun to peel back the curtain, revealing glimpses of alien landscapes teeming with life. Still, every expedition uncovers more questions than answers, and the magnitude of what remains unseen is daunting. The discovery of this new deep-sea species serves as a poignant reminder. Our planet is not yet fully known. The ocean's mysteries are not confined to ancient legends or mythical monsters. They exist here and now, in every unexplored trench and every shadowy cavern. Each time we descend into the depths, we edge closer to understanding the intricate web of connections that sustains life on Earth. The implications stretch far beyond biology. The deep ocean influences climate, weather patterns, and the health of entire ecosystems. Its currents transport nutrients and heat, shaping the conditions on which all terrestrial life depends. By probing its secrets, we gain insights into our own survival, discovering new resources and learning to preserve the delicate balance on which we all rely. Yet, with knowledge comes responsibility. The more we uncover, the more urgent it becomes to protect these fragile environments from pollution, overfishing, and the threats posed by human activity. The creatures of the deep, strange, beautiful, and sometimes terrifying, remind us of the interconnectedness of all life. Their existence depends on the stability of their habitat, which in turn is influenced by actions taken thousands of miles away, on land. As the new species glides through the darkness, its faint glow recedes into the distance, leaving behind only ripples and unanswered questions. Its presence is a symbol of the unknown, an invitation to continue exploring, learning, and marveling at the wonders still concealed beneath the waves. The ocean's story is far from complete, and every discovery is a new chapter in a narrative stretching back to the dawn of time. In the grand scheme of things, we stand at the edge of knowledge, peering into the abyss. What we have found so far is extraordinary, but it is dwarfed by what remains hidden. The deep sea is not merely a place, it is an idea, a reminder that curiosity is the engine of progress and that humility is essential as we confront the vastness of the world. The message is clear. The ocean holds countless secrets waiting to be revealed. The newly discovered creature is not just a scientific breakthrough, it is a call to adventure, a signal that the Earth still harbors wonders beyond imagination. It reminds us to look beyond the horizon, to seek answers in places where none have looked before, and to appreciate the beauty and complexity of life in all its forms. As the glowing fish fade into the night, their light swallowed by the infinite dark, a sense of awe lingers. The boundaries of exploration are not defined by what is easy or familiar, but by the courage to venture into the unknown. The deep ocean, silent and enigmatic, continues to challenge and inspire, promising discoveries that will reshape our understanding of the world. In the quiet that follows, one truth endures. The greatest mysteries are those that remind us how much there is left to learn. The ocean, the final frontier of Earth's wonders, beckons us forward, inviting us to dive deeper, to dream bigger, and to cherish the secrets that make our planet unique. As the last glimmer of bioluminescent light disappears into the depths, we are left with a profound sense of mystery. The ocean's story is not finished. Its wonders are infinite. And somewhere in the vast, uncharted darkness, new marvels are waiting for those who dare to seek them.